Hi, my name is Paul Hales with Theory Professional. We're here at InfoComm 2026, where we're introducing a couple new products, one of which is our P-9 Pendant loudspeaker, which you can see right up there. The thing that makes the P-9 unique is it has a driver in it that has the equivalent surface area of a 9-inch driver, but it packs it into the size of an 8-inch driver. So as you can see in the back, the driver that's exploding out takes up the entire aluminum enclosure. So there really is no frame around it, okay? So it's all driver. So we get very wide bandwidth response down into the low 40s. They have punch, they have extension, they have tight tuneful low frequencies, and then very broad dispersion and very high output. So for the size of the Pendant, you get a lot more sound than from any of the competitors, right? So it's also all aluminum construction. There will be 16 ohm / 70 volt version available, as well as PoE based on the PowerSoft Noda platform. So come see us at demo room N212 or booth N6205 here at InfoComm, or go to theoryprofessional.com.